Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. You have heard that your entire life. Every finance channel, every guru, every well-meaning person who has ever told you to start investing young, they all say it like it's a secret they're letting you in on. Like the fact that you haven't retired yet is just a matter of not having discovered this one beautiful mathematical truth. So you discovered it. You opened the account, you set up the transfer. You did the thing. And you were still broke. Not broke like you can't eat, broke like nothing moves. Broke like you have been doing the responsible thing for 2 years and your life looks exactly the same as it did before you started. Same apartment, same job, same credit card balance that goes down and comes right back up like it has somewhere to be. Here is what they don't tell you about the eighth wonder of the world. It only works if you have enough money to feed it. And the number you actually need to feed it, the real number, the one that produces a retirement instead of a participation trophy, is a number most people reading this will never see at the end of a month after the bills clear. They taught you the wonder. They skipped the part where it doesn't work on your salary. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Not with opinions, with the actual number. The number the gurus never put in the video. The number that explains why 95% of people who start investing never actually get ahead. Because once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Here is the number they never put in the video. To retire comfortably, not rich, not extravagant, just bills paid, food on the table, heat in the winter, nothing that would impress anyone, you need approximately 25 times your annual expenses saved. If you spend $40,000 a year, you need $1 million by retirement. That is the number financial planners agree on. That is the finish line. Now here is what $100 a month actually produces. If you are 25 years old and you invest $100 a month into a broad index fund, returning 7% annually, the historical average, you will have roughly $262,000 by the time you are 65. You need $1 million. You have $262,000. You are $738,000 short, and you did everything right. Now here's the same math at a different input number. $100 a month for 40 years at 7%, $262,000. $550 a month for 40 years at 7%, $1 million. Same market, same index fund, same discipline, same 40 years of never missing a payment. The only thing that changed is the number going in. That gap, $100 versus $550, is not the result of picking the wrong fund. It is not the result of starting too late. It is not the result of any mistake you made. It is the result of investing an amount that sounds responsible and feels responsible and is completely mathematically insufficient for the finish line you were told to aim for. So what does $550 a month actually require? The median take-home pay for an American male 25 to 34 is roughly $3,400 a month after taxes. After rent, car, groceries, insurance, utilities, and a phone bill, nothing luxurious, nothing stupid, just the baseline cost of existing as an adult in America in 2025, most men in that bracket have between $200 and $400 left at the end of the month. The math requires $550. The paycheck produces $200. That gap has been there the entire time. It was there when the guru made the video. It was there when the finance channel posted the graphic about the eighth wonder of the world. It was there when every well-meaning person in your life told you to just start investing and trust the process. Nobody mentioned it. Not because they were lying, because the advice was built for an economy that no longer exists. In 1985, a man making a median income could invest $550 a month and still pay his bills. Since 1979, worker productivity in America has risen over 60%. Wages after inflation have grown less than 18% over the same period. The economy got 60% more productive. You got 18% of it. The advice never got the memo. So here you are, doing everything right, investing every month, trusting the process, and the process is working exactly as designed for someone who makes 3 times what you make. For everyone else, it is a participation trophy with a 40-year vesting period. Now let's talk about what actually happens to the people who followed the advice. Not hypothetically, actually. The American Federal Reserve surveys American households on their finances every 3 years. The most recent data shows the median retirement savings for Americans aged 55 to 64, people who are 1 decade from retirement, who have been working and saving for 30 or 40 years, who did the responsible thing their entire adult lives, is $185,000. They need $1 million. They have $185,000. Let that land for a second. These are not lazy people. These are not people who blew their money on bad decisions. These are people who showed up to work for 4 decades, did what they were told, invested what they could, and arrived at 58 years old with $185,000 and a retirement finish line that is $815,000 away with 10 years left on the clock. Compound interest is not closing that gap in 10 years. Nothing is closing that gap in 10 years. This is not a personal failure spread across millions of people simultaneously. This is the math producing exactly the result it was always going to produce at the contribution levels most people can actually afford. And here is the part that should make you genuinely angry. The advice that produced this outcome. Invest consistently, trust the process, time in the market beats timing the market, is not changed, not one word of it. The gurus are still saying it, the finance channels are still posting it, the graphic about the 8th wonder of the world is still getting shared. Meanwhile, the median 58-year-old is looking at $185,000 and trying to figure out how to make it last 20 years. The advice did not fail because it was wrong. It failed because the economy it was designed for disappeared 40 years ago, and nobody updated the math. And the men who are 25 right now, investing $100 a month, trusting the process, feeling responsible every time the automatic transfer clears, they are not building wealth. They are building the next set of $185,000 retirement accounts, right on schedule. So why does nobody say this out loud? Why is every personal finance video still telling a 27-year-old making $42,000 a year to open an index fund and trust the process, when the Federal Reserve data showing exactly what that produces has been publicly available for years? Because the advice feels like help, and feeling like help is worth a lot of money. Here is what is actually happening when that video finds you. You are not just anxious about money. You are anxious about what being broke says about you as a man. You are anxious that your friends have figured something out that you haven't. You are anxious that the girl you have been seeing would look at you differently if she actually saw your bank account. Not the number you describe out loud. The real one. The one after rent clears and the credit card posts and you have 4 days until payday and nothing left. That feeling has a weight to it that has nothing to do with math. It is the weight of feeling like you are behind. Like everyone else got a rule book you never received. Like the gap between where you are and where a man your age is supposed to be is visible to everyone around you, even when you are doing everything you can to make sure it isn't. The video finds you when that feeling peaks. The title names it. You click, and for the next 10 minutes, someone tells you the problem is that you haven't started yet. That compound interest will do the heavy lifting if you just give it time, that the men who have it figured out opened an account and trusted the process, and now they don't worry anymore. So you open the account, you set up the transfer, and something shifts. Not your bank balance, not your income, not the 4 days before payday with nothing left. But now you are an investor. Now when someone brings up money at dinner, you have something to say. Now, when the anxiety shows up at 2 a.m., you have an answer for it. You are handling it. You have a plan. The account does not change your life, but it changes the story you tell about your life. And for most men, that is worth more than the math, at least for a while, at least until the feeling fades and the anxiety comes back and the algorithm surfaces another video and the cycle starts again. New guru, same advice, same $100 a month, same feeling of finally having a plan, same math that doesn't work.
The content is not selling you a path out of financial insecurity. It is selling you a way to feel less insecure while staying exactly where you are. And it works every single time. Because the alternative, actually confronting the income problem, actually asking why you have not had a raise in 3 years, actually calculating what your skills are worth on the open market, and doing something uncomfortable about the answer, that does not feel like relief. That feels like a problem with no easy solution. Most men would rather feel like they have a plan than face a problem with no easy solution. You cannot blame them. The advice found them at exactly the right moment with exactly the right feeling and asked nothing hard of them in return. But the Federal Reserve data does not care about the feeling. The $185,000 median does not care about the feeling. The finish line is $1 million. The feeling gets you $185,000.
You are going to keep investing. You should. Stopping is not the answer. An index fund returning 7% is still better than a savings account returning 4% and infinitely better than a checking account returning nothing. The math is real. The account is real. The discipline it takes to fund it every month when money is tight is real. But you need to know what you are actually building. You are not building retirement, not at $200 a month, not at $300 a month, not at any number your current income can produce after the bills clear. You are building a habit. You are building a foundation. You are building the beginning of something that cannot finish itself on the fuel you currently have. The men who actually retire, not scrape by, actually retire with options, with breathing room, with the ability to stop when they want to stop instead of when their body forces them to. Those men did not get there by investing more consistently than you. They got there because at some point the income problem got solved. A business, a promotion that actually moved the needle, a skill that the market paid significantly more for, something that changed the input number. Because the output number, $1 million, does not negotiate. It does not care how disciplined you are at $200 a month. It only responds to the amount going in. This channel exists to show you the mechanics before you need them. If that matters to you, subscribe. Here is where you actually are right now. You are not behind because you are lazy. You are not behind because you made bad decisions. You are behind because you were handed advice that was accurate and insufficient at the same time, and nobody told you the difference. The eighth wonder of the world is real. It just requires a number you do not currently have. And that number, the gap between what you invest and what the math requires, is not a personal finance problem. It is an income problem wearing a personal finance costume. The account is not the answer. It is just the place where the answer lives once you solve the harder problem first. The median 58-year-old has $185,000. He trusted the process his entire adult life. The process worked exactly as designed. It was just never designed to be enough.